Like all the softwares I look at, InVideo AI has an affiliate program. I like to break down the program in this video so you know if it's worth it for you to join it and promote. Unfortunately, their affiliate program is very disappointing. Although it is a recurring subscription, you only get money from the first payment of the reference. If someone signs up for 1 month, you get 50% of that, or for the annual, you get 25%. If you want to know how much money that is, for the first month, the lowest tier, that is $25, you'll get $12.50 from it. If someone chooses the maximum plan for the whole year at $480, you get $120. I prefer affiliate program that pay monthly. To join the affiliate program, you need an Impact account. I have a course on this channel on how to use Impact, so you can watch that to see how to use it. To sign up for the affiliate program, you can find the link in the description or at the bottom of the website on any page. Click on it to see the terms, then click the button to go to the sign up page. If you don't have an Impact account, create one here. If you do, click on I have an Impact account and you will see the terms of the program. Agree to the terms and you might be asked how you are going to promote InVideo. The first time I tried to join the InVideo program, I had an Impact account, but InVideo did not approve my application. However, because I explored the tool and make some tutorials for my Israeli audience, I emailed the support with the links of my videos to add me to the program and explained how I was going to promote them, and it worked. In your InVideo AI account, you have an influencer button. If you click on it, you get some links and a dashboard to see how many sign up through your link. I asked support what it is, and they told me it's an experiment and you need to use the affiliate links from Impact. So just use those things. Because the affiliate platform might change from Impact to InVideo inside platform soon, I highly suggest using a tool to organize your affiliate links so you only need to change the link in one place if they decide to switch the platform. I use Switchy for it. You have the link in the description. What I do is create the link in Impact, then create a new link in Switchy and paste the Impact link in the top box. Then I add custom URL and I use my domain to make it look more professional. When I promote the URL, I use the one from Switchy. If they change the link to different platform, I will only need to update it in Switchy rather than everywhere I've shared it. If you already have your links in YouTube description and you want to change them, you can use TubeBuddy's Find and Replace tool. You can see how to use it in the video in the description. If you are using InVideo AI and like it, join their affiliate program and talk about it. But if you are looking for a good affiliate program, this one is a pass for me because they don't pay well. I'm pretty sure all the growers promoting it are getting more than the basic affiliate program offers, so they might have a better deal. But for the average affiliate, this is not the best program. I prefer the Pictory affiliate program and also like their tool better. You have much more freedom to create videos while getting help from the AI with Pictory. If you want to know how to make a link in Impact to promote InVideo, watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.